So why doesn't your elevator pitch work? Why is it that when you say what you do, what you offer, people just don't seem to get it and they walk away? Well, there's three main things that you need to touch upon within your elevator pitch, and that's what we're talking about in today's episode 1047 of the Daily Sales Message Podcast, where every single day I share a piece of simple and actionable advice that's designed to help you feel more confident and sell more stuff too. Now, the three things are, and they're pretty much in this order: problem. So the problem that you solve, you've got to name check that somewhere in your elevator pitch. Otherwise, nobody's going to care. Nobody's going to listen because they're tuned in for the problem that's being solved. So problem is the first one. Person is the second one. So who are you actually talking to? So for me, I name check my potential buyers as B2B founders with a hard to explain offering. So if you hear that, so you might be a B2B founder, but do you have a hard to explain offering? You can opt in or you can opt out. So we've got problem, we've got person, and then we've got solution, the third and final piece. So you don't have to give all the details and really go in depth, but you've got to give some degree of an explanation as to how you're doing what you're doing. So have a look at your elevator pitch. If it's not landing, it's probably because it doesn't contain all three of those things: problem, person, solution, or maybe it does, but they're in slightly the wrong order. We've always got to start with the problem that we solve, because that's the thing that your buyers are most keen to hear about, because that's the most pressing motivation they have to want to buy from you.